Sila. Tenlip ready ah.
Ready.
Yo, shallow sa atin. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill the fucking caller. Yo, hit.
Umabot.
Hit. Then come southeast muna. Come southeast. Go doon fast. Clear the mobs.
Support jacket,
They
support jacket.
might look.
Nag-go sila kayo.
Oh, put check guys. Kill the guards. Ipilin the guards, guys.
Boss, mana agad ang po.
Zoro, they will try to hit over the wall. Nandito sila sa may bandang west.
Pwede mo headbuttin yun.
Andun sila sa west. Sa west wall.
Wala naman. Yo. Hagag the wall southeast. Look shallow northwest ha. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow northwest now. Hit na. Nice hit. Yo, don't back out. Keep bashing. Keep bashing. Cool down fast. Yo, def now.
Ready.
Oh, do. Keep bashing.
Walang healer, pa-heal.
Keep bashing. Nakikita nyo to?
Yes.
Hold lang. Shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me. Kill this guy. Almost. Keep bashing. Move. Hold on fast. Go this fast. Hug the wall southeast. Keep bashing. Hug the wall southeast. Okay, they will try to hit the sapik.
Quick. Ready.
Okay, hold lang. Hold lang. May heal yun. Yo, shallow the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow the gate na. Hit na. Don't back out. Keep bashing.
Yes, jacket.
Def. Keep bashing, guys. They will go out. Yo.
They're going.
They. Never mind. Don't chase them. Just loot up.
Mounted.
Ay. Open yung replay, tangina. Kitang-kita kayo do.
Engage nyo to in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ano mo? Damage mo dun.
Ang layo ng abot.
Support jacket na.
Parang
Parang
mana po, tekang pangit.
Nag-ano ka ba?
Pawatch ako ng southeast.
Deflecting spin kind of.
Pag
Dalawa kasi ano mo
pinakpulat,
yung parang buff mo, yung
DPS jacket na.
Kaya ubos talaga mga...
Ano, pag ipapuff ko lahat. Ubus lahat ng mana.
You're ready on the Lord in
Dami
5,
mong-
4, 3, 2.
Dami mo kailangan i-stack.
Oo, marami.